Macabacus Lite, the beta web add-in available on Microsoft AppSource, includes a powerful AI tool called Formulate. This feature is designed to automate a typically time-consuming task, converting hard-coded values in Excel into dynamic formulas. Formulate can analyze financial statements such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, identifying values that can be formula-driven rather than manually input. In this example, the tool is applied to an income statement. Once the tool is run, the AI processes the data quickly. In this example, 24 hard-coded values across 8 rows were replaced with formulas. Users can easily highlight the changes to see exactly what Formulate updated. The results show that the dynamic formulas match the original values, ensuring accuracy. If any adjustments are needed, users have full control. Formulate includes an undo formulas option to revert changes and restore the original hard-coded values. Formulate is an AI-powered tool that transforms static numbers into dynamic, auditable formulas, bringing speed, accuracy, and automation to financial modeling. Now available in Macabacus Lite, the beta web add-in on Microsoft AppSource. Visit Macabacus.com to learn more about why Macabacus is the leading productivity and brand compliance add-in for finance professionals and their firms.